Look at this earth, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you say that recycling is sweet? Cleaning the earth is our job, it's time to take care of it. It's not so hard doing your part. Picking up one piece of trash is a start. Working together we'll see we can make a change. You can reduce, reuse, and recycle. You can turn off the lights when you're gone. Single-use plastic? I don't think so. Plant a tree, shop wisely, volunteer. I wanna swim in the clear blue sea. Nothing's polluted with trash and bottles. You can do your part on this Earth Day. Ride your bike more, go plant a seed. Turn off the water when you brush